Hello everyone, welcome to Code with Arhan. In this video we are going to learn about Python exceptions. Let's get started. What are exceptions? Exceptions are errors that occur during the execution of a program and the syntax error which are detected during the parsing. Exceptions happen when something goes wrong while the program is running. Handling this exception allows our program to continue learning smoothly even when errors occur. Common exceptions. Some common exceptions are in Python include the zero division error occurs when you divide by zero. Value error lies when a function receives an argument of correct type but inappropriate value. Type error lies when an operation of function is applied to an object of inappropriate types. Index error lies when you try to access an index that is out of range. So let's look at the example of this. So here I have the examples of all the errors that I have just said and I have said to you. So first of all we have the division by zero error, then value error, then type error, and then index error. So first let's look at the zero error. So I will comment all these. Okay, now we have assigned a value of 20 and b to 0, and now we are going to print this a divided by b. So let's run this code and it will give us a zero division error, division by 0. So this is division by 0 error. Then we have the value error. So okay, value error. So we have assigned a of 34 and b a string code with Arhan, and now if we print float of a, so it will work normally, but if we try to print the float b, then it will give us the error. So let's look at this. So here it is giving us 34.0 first, and in second it is saying that a value error could not convert the string to float code with Arhan. So this is the value error. So let's undo this and comment this. And then next we have the type error. So I have assigned name is equal to Arhan, num is equal to 4, and then we try to add name plus num plus name. So if we run this code first, before I comment this out. Okay, now let's see. So it is giving us the type error can only constitute string, not int to string. So it is saying that we can only convert strings to strings but not numbers. So this is the type error, and at last we have the index error. So for example, if I try, in J we have the J's 1 to 4, and if you try to print the J of fourth index, then it will give us the index error. See, it is giving us the index error. This index out of range. So this is the index error, and another example is, let's see, I have written the my string and assigned the value code with Arhan, and if I try to print this my string of minus 61 characters, so it will give us the error, index error, string index out of range. So this is our all the errors. So this is all the errors example that I have listed you here. And now let's see how to ignore these errors and make our program working fine. So let me delete all this code. And now we come to try except block. So to handle exception, we use the try and except block. For example, if we write try x equals to 1 by 0, then except uh, 0 division error print you can't divide by 0. And now let's see what we, so it is giving us the you can divide by 0. So this code tries to divide the 1 by 0, which raises a zero division error. The except block catches the exception and prints some message instead of crashing the program. And then next, now we have the else and finally. We can also use the else and finally block with try and except. So yes, suppose we write try 1 by 1, then we write else print the exception should be yes print no exceptions were lies. And then if we write finally this block runs no matter what. And now if we try to run this code, it will give us the no exceptions were lies. This block runs no matter what. So the else block runs if no exceptions are lies, and the finally block runs no matter what. Now we have the custom exceptions. So you can define your own custom exceptions. Here's a quick example. Let's suppose we write a class my error which takes the exceptions and we simply pass, and then we try lies or raise my error. Okay, and if I write something went wrong, and then we write accept my error as E, and then we print E. So let's run this code. Name.here to me exception. Okay, rise my errors. Yes, sorry for the mistake. Now this will work. Yes, something went wrong. So what happened is we create a class named myError which takes the exception and we simply pass. Then we write the try and except block, and inside try we say raise myError something went wrong. That means we are telling the compiler to raise this myError and inside we have written our exception, something went wrong, and inside the essay we write my error as is. So take the my error as the E and then we print the E. So this means we will print the error. So this is a nickname. So E is a nickname for my error, and if you write simply my error and just remove this, so this will also work. No, sorry, this will not work if we have to. So this will not work. This will only take the class. So we have to make it. That's why we have to make it as E. And if you run this, then it will fine. So don't make a mistake to write my error as it is, because it will give us the class name. So, and that's a quick overview of Python exceptions. We read about exceptions. We read about what exceptions are, common types, some common types of exception, handling name with try, accept, and even creating custom exception. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment with any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching and happy coding.